Hi guys, in this video we will see how to update your Apple Watch OS 26. Latest update you will receive. We will see in Apple Watch Series 10 how to download and install Apple Watch OS 26. Go to your Apple Watch, go to your apps. Here look for the settings app on your Apple Watch. Tap on settings. Here scroll down and tap on general settings. Here you will find the option software update. Tap on it. You can see watchOS 26.0.2 available here. Simply download and install. Tap on download and install. A message you will receive to install the Apple Watch update. View and accept the terms on your iPhone. Go to your iPhone and accept the terms and condition to download and install Apple Watch OS 26. So go to your Apple Watch and after accepting terms and conditions, downloading and installation will start. Don't forget to keep charging your Apple Watch and Wi-Fi connection available for it. That's all.